everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I just came on to kind of catch up with you guys, and I've been creating some projects. I just hadn't really shared it with you. And anyway, let me just start off with what I was doing today. I decided to finally use my my Cricut press right here. And I know some of you guys wanted an update. I do love it. It heats up very nicely and very quickly. And it has this little stand, which is silicone on the inside here. It's part silicone anyway. And has a nice rubber bottom, so you know it doesn't move around. And it just fits like that, and it's super cute. It's super easy. You just you plug it in, turn this on, and then it tells you when it's ready. It actually beeps. And surprisingly, it turned off all by itself when I wasn't using it, because I kind of left my desk for a minute. So anyway, I finally made some cute bows inspired by my friend Civ, a CraftyPoodleMom. Hey girl! I'll see if I can link the video because she did a tutorial on how to create these using some felt. And I just used whatever felt I had on hand, and I created these. Aren't they adorable? So you do need the iron-on Hello Kitty, and I bought this from Cricut.com, and I can't remember if it was on sale or not, but it was pretty reasonable considering that you get 12 by 17 and 3 of them, different designs. So I was just creating an example, and so I plan to make some more, but I just think they're super cute and so easy. All you do is to put the iron on top of your felt, and then just you know, heat up your Cricut press, and then you know, you would iron it like you would an iron-on, and then you peel off the contact paper on top. And just follow Civ's tutorial. I will leave it in the description box. And then I was making some ornaments. I have my Valentine tree set up downstairs near my kitchen, and it's my same tree that I used for Christmas, except I turned it into a Valentine tree instead of a Christmas tree. So anyway, I wanted my Christmas tree to be, you know, red, versus the previous one that I shared with you guys on Instagram. The one in my craft room right now is pink. It's a white tree, but it's, you know, like pink and silver themed. But anyway, my one downstairs, I don't think I've shared that one on Instagram. It's black and red mostly, and with also this gingham type ribbon. I have a wider ribbon, and anyway, I have this ribbon right here, which is amazing. I love this so much, and I did share this with you guys. It is from Amazon, and you get like 10 yards, or I don't know, ridiculous amount of yards. It's quite a lot. And I also used this ribbon here, and I'll show you my project that I did with this one. And this one, I can't remember where I got it, you guys. Honestly, I don't remember if it was the Dollar Tree, but it only comes in 9 feet. And I don't remember where I got this one. So anyway, look, you guys. So these are actual tags, and I believe, I think they're wood, but like really thin wood. Anyway, they're from Target from, I don't know, last year or the year before, and they came with this type of ribbon right here for, you know, this part right here, so you can hang it. But I took this off, and I just made little bows out of them. So I made a few of these, 4 of them to be exact, and I replaced it with this ribbon. just made bows, and you know, I painted the back with some paint. This is the red paint that I have, which is called Festive Red. It's by Craft Smart. I love this paint. It's a beautiful red, and I made 4 of them. And then I got my Cricut to cut out some more of the vinyl letters, and this one says hugs. And I think I made 2 of those, and this one says kiss. Super easy to make, you guys. And again, I used the skinny bold font and made 4 of those. And then I didn't have any more of these tags because it only came in a set of, I think it was only a set of 4. So I do have these that also came from Target from, I don't know, a couple of years ago as well. And they're with the clothespin, and I actually do like this because it's so easy to just put on your tree. You know, you just clip it on. And I decided to go ahead and also put some letters and also use the ribbon. So there's this one. So this time I made XOXO on these. So they're all the same. The next one I want to show you is this one right here. So I finally painted some more beads, and I had shared this with you guys. I have a bunch of these 20mm beads. I have them in here right now, but they look like that. They're natural wood. And all I did was paint them, and I painted it with this one. I have this pink one. This one is Anita's all-purpose acrylic, and this one is called Princess Pink. And it's the super light pink that you see here. I did several coats, and then I also used my folk art chalk paint, and mine got super thick because I don't think I sealed it well, or I didn't close it well the last time I used it. So anyway, all you have to do is to just use a little bit of water. That's what I did. I think it is water-based. It worked. And all I did was, I have a tutorial actually on how to create these, but you know, you just take a stick. I mean, this one is just an old paintbrush. You just stick your beads in there, and then you just paint it, and that way it doesn't, you know, it's easier to paint. So here's an extra bead that I have here. So these are how my beads look like once painted. And then you just string them with some jute twine. I have this one here, and I can't remember where I got this one, if it was from the Dollar Tree, possibly. But I love that jute twine. I made a tassel first. I actually made this a bit chunky, but I made a tassel, and then I strung the beads, and then actually I think I did this one first. I strung the beads through here, and then I did the tassel afterwards, but it doesn't matter. So, and these are, one of you guys did ask me where I got it, and I seriously can't remember, but I want to say I think I got it from TJ Maxx like years ago. And it came in a lot of, I don't know, I think it was like 10 or 12 of them or something, and they came in gold, pink, darker, I think there was even a darker pink and a red, and they had different words on them. So I'm finally using them up because I've been hoarding them. So some of them I'm just using as an actual ornament because they are an actual ornament, and they're nice and sturdy. They're real wood, and I just hang them up like that on my tree. So there's this one. So yeah, that was fun. And I don't know, I usually do like 20 some beads. I think this might have been 24 beads. Go anywhere from 20 to 30. And then I've been seeing some really pretty ones also on online. And I saw somebody create something similar with, again, with this ribbon, like gingham ribbon. So I created this one. And I saw someone create one of these too, and I thought it was the cutest thing. So I tried to replicate it similar to it. So basically did my tassel the same way. You just, you know, wind up your tassel, and then after I do the twine, then I just added like 2 strips of the ribbon, the red ribbon, and then 2 strips of this one here, which is this is a pretty ribbon that someone had gifted me. Love it. And I used the beads from Michaels. I think they're from Michaels. I don't know. I've had them in my stash in forever, and they look like this, and I think you get like 10 of them, something like that. And they have nice big holes, so these work really well. You guys know about these beads. They've been around for, I think, a couple of years. So this time I made a tag, and this kind of feels like wood, but it actually isn't. They are the tags, I think, from Target. Do have wood tags from Hobby Lobby, but these were a little big. I thought they were just a little too big, so I decided to go ahead and just use these tags from Target from, I don't know, last year or 2 years ago. It says 2016, so I've had these for a while, I guess. And then I just painted it. They're like MD, what is it called? MDF? I can't remember. Anyway, super sturdy. And then I have this from the Silhouette Design Store. It was just this word here. And I just cut it in, I think I did like 2 inches tall, and I did the back side too. And then I put that pretty ribbon. Now the thing with this ribbon is it does fray, but I kind of like it. I really like that it frayed, and I just left it like that. And then I put a button, and the button is also from Target, which is from this pack right here. From Target from like, I don't know, a couple of years ago. So I just alternated the colors. I did pink, white, and the natural, and then the bead, and then red. And then I repeated the pattern all the way around. So these are ready to go in my trays. I bought another tray, you guys, so I have another haul for you that I will share in a little bit, because I wanted a 3-tiered tray, because all of my trays I have a few, and they're only 2-tiered. So I wanted, I finally went ahead and got one from, I think I got it from Hobby Lobby, which was on sale, so I couldn't pass it up. So anyway, that is my share for today. I hope you guys liked my project, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Okay, stay tuned for the haul.